Welcome to the wild world of Octorhino, where knowledge and action collide. Dive deep, charge forward, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, let's unleash your inner Octorhino. Always check with professionals before making any life or financial decisions. This video is not professional help.
Welcome to our survival guide on how to handle wild animal encounters. Out here in the wild, it's us against the elements, against the odds, and sometimes against creatures a whole lot bigger and toothier than us. But that doesn't mean we can't survive. We can be prepared, we can be smart, and we can make it out of a hairy situation with all our limbs attached. Today we'll be sharing essential tips to survive attacks from various wild animals across different climates and terrains. We're talking dense forests, arid deserts, icy tundras, you name it. From bears to sharks to lions, we'll cover what you need to know to make it back in one piece. Because out here, knowledge isn't just power, it's survival. So strap yourselves in, get ready for some intense scenarios, and most importantly, pay close attention. These tips could one day save your life. Out in the backcountry, you might find yourself face to face with a bear. First things first, no eye contact. They see that as a challenge. Back away slowly, speaking in a calm, low voice. Let the bear know you're not a threat. Now, if that bear decides you look like lunch and charges, you've got to act fast. If you're carrying bear spray, this is the time to use it. Aim for the face, give it a good blast. It won't kill the bear, but it'll give you a fighting chance to get away. Remember, running is a bad idea. They're faster than you. Stay calm, assess the situation, and use your head. You've got this. Finding yourself in the water with a curious shark circling is the stuff of nightmares, but panicking, that's the last thing you want to do. Stay calm, keep your eyes on the shark. Sharks are like bullies. They respect strength. If the shark starts to approach, maintain eye contact. Let it know you see it. Back away slowly towards the shore or your boat, whatever's closest. Don't turn your back on it, keep it in your sights. Now, if the worst happens and that shark attacks, you fight back with everything you've got. Go for the sensitive spots, the eyes, the gills. Use anything you have as a weapon, your hands, your feet, a rock, anything. Never give up. Out in the wild, snakes are often lurking unseen. And getting bitten by a venomous one can be a death sentence if you don't know what to do. First things first, stay calm. Panicking will only make the venom spread faster. Next, immobilize the bitten limb. Keep it as still and as low as possible to slow down the venom's flow. And forget all those old wives' tales about sucking out the venom. Not only is it useless, but it can actually make things worse. Get to a hospital as quickly and safely as possible. Time is of the essence here. Every second counts. Coming face to face with a lion is a primal fear, but we can overcome it. Remember, in the wild, you never run from a predator. It triggers their instinct to chase. Stand your ground. Make yourself look bigger by raising your arms above your head. Spread out your jacket. Be loud, be fierce, and look that lion straight in the eye. Let it know you're not an easy meal. You're a survivor, you're a fighter. If the lion does charge, you fight back with everything you've got. Use rocks, sticks, your bare hands, whatever you can. Aim for the vulnerable spots, the eyes, the nose. This is a fight for your life. Crocodiles are stealthy predators. One minute you're by the water's edge, the next you're in the grip of jaws that could crush bone. If a croc gets you, your life depends on fighting back with ferocity. Go for the most vulnerable areas, the eyes and the nostrils. A good strike to these sensitive spots can make a croc release its grip. If you can, try to shove your fingers into its eyes. It might be the only chance you get. Remember, your best bet is to avoid becoming crocodile chow in the first place. Never swim in waters known to be inhabited by crocodiles, and always be aware of your surroundings. So there you have it, some essential survival tips that could mean the difference between life and death when facing a wild animal. Remember, staying calm and knowing what to do can make all the difference in a wild animal encounter. Panic can be your worst enemy. These encounters are a stark reminder that we share this planet with creatures far more powerful than ourselves. It's a privilege to coexist with them, but we must always be respectful, aware, and prepared. Knowledge is your best weapon out here in the wild. Stay safe and always be prepared. Thanks for watching.